Hello everyone, so today we're going to unbox the Razer Kiyo camera, which is 720p at 60 fps and 1080p for 30 fps. As you can see, it comes with a very nice box. It has some information at the back, the brand, the logo at the right side, and let's open the box to see what's inside. So first of all, we have a letter from the CEO and co-founder of Razer. I'm going to read that later on. Secondly, we have the guide, I think, the instructions. I would say they are very easily understood, how to place the camera and how to use it. And then we have the camera itself with a very nice design, the Razer stamp on it. And if we take it out, we can see first of all that is heavy enough. I wouldn't expect that. It has a circle spinning thing to adjust the brightness of the light, and it also has a cable. It's a USB, so you can plug it into your computer, to a PC, or a gaming console. However, if you plug it in a gaming console, you're not able to have the application of Razer. Let's take this off and continue with the testing. So right now I'm using the Razer camera, and I also use its microphone. That's why you cannot hear me good. You can hear a sound that it's not ideal for you to have it, but if you don't have a microphone, I mean, there's something to start. So this is the app, the application of Razer, where you can like test your camera. Right now it's in default settings. You can have it, like change settings according to what you want to do. You can also have it custom and adjust the brightness. Brightness, it's not the same with the light of the camera. This is different. If you can see, it goes up and goes down. It's pretty good, and you can just turn it off. And you have these settings here, and also there is the advanced settings. Now it's in Greek, but you have many things to change here. For example, this is how detailed the camera is. You can see that it changes, not in a good way though, but it changes. Like, you can play around, and also there is here even more settings. You can have like zoom, your camera zoomed in, which is very good, also very good feature. And you can generally play around. You cannot change that. For some reason I can. It's like you need to take it off. You see? So yeah, it's like that. So that's it. And right here you can see how it looks on the monitor. It is very heavy and but very stable. So don't worry, it will not fall. And also here you can see the light of the camera. Turn it on, turn it off, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know down at the comments.